In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva for nonprofits. If you're creating donation campaigns, volunteer updates, or social media posts for your organization, Canva can make the whole design process much easier. You do not need a big marketing budget or advanced graphic design experience to create polished, consistent visuals. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open Canva, choose the right design format, apply your organization's branding, build a clear layout, add strong text, resize your design for multiple platforms, and export your final file properly. Start by opening your web browser and going to canva.com. Once you're logged in and on the Canva homepage, look to the top right corner and click Create a Design. This is where every new project begins, and it gives you access to Canva's ready-made formats. When the drop-down menu appears, choose the format that best fits your goal. For example, you might pick Instagram post in portrait format for social media, flyer for printed outreach, or presentation for donor slides. After your canvas opens, go to the left sidebar and click Brand. From there, select your organization's brand kit so your official colors and fonts are applied. This helps keep all of your materials looking professional and consistent across every platform. Next, begin building your design by clicking Elements on the left side. In the search bar, type in keywords that match your mission or campaign, such as community outreach, donation, or charity. Browse through the graphics and photos, then click and drag the one you want onto your canvas. Canva will help snap it into place, which makes arranging your layout much easier and cleaner. Once your main visual is in place, click Text in the left panel and choose Add a Text Box. Type your main message, such as your campaign headline or call to action. Then highlight the text and use the toolbar at the top to adjust the font, size, and style. Choose a bold, easy-to-read font and make sure there is strong contrast so your message stands out clearly, especially on mobile screens. If you want to turn the same design into other sizes, go to the top menu and click Magic Switch. Choose the new format you need, like an Instagram story or a Facebook banner, then click Continue. Canva will automatically create resized versions, which can save a lot of time when building a full campaign. Before exporting, do a final review, move your text and graphics slightly if needed, and use Canva's guidelines to keep everything aligned and inside a safe visual area. Also, keep your design title short and clear so it's easy to find later. When everything looks right, click Share in the top right corner, then Download. Choose PNG for high-quality digital graphics or PDF print if you need a file for printing. Finally, click Download to save your finished design to your computer. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.